me Kareena back in our new video. So in today's video I'm gonna talk about this Loreal Infallible 24-hour foundation. So I recently received this product. मैं currently भी बहुत time से ये L'Oreal का ही foundation use कर रही हूँ. That is I believe True Match foundation. So I really want to try these Infallible 24-hour foundations. So I'm really happy and really excited to try these ones. I have all the shades right here. These are total 8 shades. I was really excited to try all the products and show you कि कौन सा shade मेरे में match करता है. But all the shades are really lighter than my skin tone. The last shade starts from 101, 101 to 108. There are total 8 shades and the 8th shade is kind of similar to my skin tone, but we'll see how it goes on my skin. I haven't used any of them yet, so I want to give my honest opinions on the camera. So yeah, it says that this is demi matte finish, air light and oil free. This is 30 ml and all of them cost 750 rupees. And this gives you a demi matte finish. It wears up to 24 hours. That is what I'm really excited about. And this says that it is a medium coverage and the texture is air light. I want to get my hands on some foundation which is like medium coverage and like really light on my skin tone. Like I shouldn't feel like, you know, it shouldn't feel really heavy and like I'm wearing some kind of heavy foundation. So all the shades here are really lighter to my skin tone, but this is the Caramel Beige in the shade 108. So I'll try this one. Like I'll swatch all of the shades on my face and let you all know कि कौन सा shade कैसा दिखता है, and then I will wear this 108 on my entire face, then we'll see. So yeah, without talking further, I should get started. So this is the shade 101 Classic Ivory. I haven't even opened any of these. So this is the shade 101 and it's like really white. The girls who are really fair and like their skin is really white, this is the best tone for them. I will try the next shade, which is 102 Shell Beige. It is like classic ivory somewhat, but it has a little yellow undertone to it. जो fair skin का undertone थोड़ा सा yellow है, this will go for them. So yeah, there is the Shell Beige. So I'll try the next shade, which is 103 Natural Buff. So you guys can see this is the 103 and I think if मैं इसे पूरे face में अच्छे से blend करूँ तो it will somewhat go with my skin tone, like a little, it will be a little bit lighter, but yeah, I like this shade. It has a beautiful yellow kind of undertone, like brown kind of undertone, which I love about this shade. Like if you are fair to medium, then this is the best shade for you. So I'll try the next shade now, which is 104 Golden Beige. So yeah guys, this is the 104 and this looks pretty actually. So yeah, these are the 4 lighter shades. Now I'll move on to the next 4 shades. Now I'll move on to the next shade, which is 105. This is Natural Beige. So yeah, this is how Natural Beige looks on my skin. Now we'll try the next shade, which is 106 Sun Beige. So guys, this is how Sun Beige looks on my skin tone. This is actually really nice. I think it kind of goes to my skin tone. These shades are really good for medium skin tones. So yeah, now I'll try the next shade, which is 107 Fresh Beige. Even this looks good for my skin tone. I think this will go to my skin tone perfectly. Not perfectly, like it's still a little bit lighter. But yeah, now we'll move on to the last shade, which is 108 Caramel Beige, and I think this is the shade that will go with my skin tone. So yeah, these are the next 4 shades. I think the last one, which is Caramel Beige, kind of matches with my skin tone. But let's see, जब हम पूरे face में लगाएंगे तो how it blends with my skin. I am really excited to see how it goes with my skin tone. The last shade, obviously. So guys, मैंने फेस में कुछ भी नहीं लगाया, सिर्फ मैंने आईब्रो किया है, यहाँ थोड़ा सा लिप मैट टिंट लगाया है. So मैंने प्राइमर लगा लिया है. Now I'll apply the darkest shade, which is 108 Caramel Beige in my entire face and see how the coverage and the finish looks like. मैंने इसे डॉट डॉट करके पूरे फेस में अप्लाई कर लिया है. नाउ आई टेक माई फाउंडेशन ब्रश एंड ब्लेंड इट ऑल ओवर माई फेस. So guys, I really am impressed with the foundation because you guys can obviously see like कितना अच्छा coverage दे दिया है मेरे skin को and like it feels so light, like ऐसा लग रहा नहीं है कि मैंने कुछ apply किया है अपने face में. Like I'm totally in love with this foundation, you guys. You know, एकदम easily ऐसे blend हो गया मेरे पूरे skin में and you guys can see मेरे skin को कितना demi matte finish, as it says it does gives me a demi matte finish and it doesn't feel like you have applied something heavy or anything. Like it feels really light on your skin tone and the packagings are really good to go. Like आप इसे किधर भी carry कर सकते हो. All the other shades, I don't think so that will be so much of use for me and I'm really loving how my skin looks right now and I'm pretty sure this will go 24 hours. मतलब मैंने जब भी apply कर लिया it was already matte. So yeah, I will like to give this product a 10 on 10. So if you guys are looking for some lightweight foundation which gives you a demi matte finish and like airbrush kind of finish, so you can definitely go for these foundations. These are the Loreal Infallible Pro Matte Demi Matte Finish Air Light Oil Free 24-hour foundation and yeah, I really like the product. So yeah, this was it about my this was my review about the Loreal Infallible 24-hour foundation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to review more products like this, let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to do that for you guys. So I'll see you all guys in my next video. Ta-da!